Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 13th of September 2024. The day is Friday, last trading day of the week, which is also the second week of the month of September. Price section is difficult today because it is doing to and fro. But okay, for those who are new here, let me introduce myself. Like I said, my name is Rakesh and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as Dukas Copy. I'm not from Lucas Copy. I'm an independent trader and technical analyst. I come here every day at 1700 GMT to share with you my key levels for all the forex majors, a few yen crosses, crude oil, gas, and also the gold. So be with me for some 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be sharing my key levels from where you can plan your trades and execute them. Although this is not a trading advice, it should be seen as only for information or entertainment purpose. And please do your research before you put your live money or put your money in the live accounts. I will say, do not trade based on my charts. Do your own research. Now what we are going to do, we are going to follow the candlestick patterns or the candlestick charts to find out the key levels. Let's see how we can use those key levels in your. So first things first, I want to show you the chart, but before that I want to show the risk disclaimer, because there is certain risk that is associated when you trade on the margin, because the forex is traded on margin money. So please understand the risk that is involved and then only move to the charts. You can pause the video here if you want. All right, now right now on your screen what you can see is this is the proprietary platform of Lucas Copy. This is called JForex 4, and here this is the dollar index chart for one day. This is a candlestick type of charts based on the bid prices. Now you can see that clearly price was going lower and it was making lower highs and lower lows. Up till now, we were expecting the price to reach for 103.33, above which we would like to open the buy position. But now I can say that yesterday's price action has suggested me that the price is going down and the dollar index is looking for 99.20 levels. But for that, it has to breach 100.29, which is also my first target to the downside now. Also, see that if you see clearly that the price has created a fair value gap in this week, and that gap may be used next week to push the prices towards 99.20. So please be with me, understand the concept that I'm telling. We have opened the dollar index only to have an idea where the major forex currency pairs are going. So since US dollar index is going down, so we can ascertain that most of the dollar pairs are going down and most of the other pairs are going up. So when we say the pairs, it is like GBP USD. You can see that the GBP USD has closed higher than yesterday's day before yesterday's high, and because yesterday it closed higher, so today the price has seen the higher high and has failed to go lower. Now you see the price is trying to go and reach for the higher prices. This is simple. And yesterday's candle, day before yesterday's candle had traded a fair value gap, so now that becomes an order block. What does it mean, guys? Some of the things, this is called a hybrid concept basically. Here I'm trying to okay, so this is our order block, and if the price comes and taps to this level, it should just go like boom. Okay, let's see how the things unfold in this one, but we are looking for the higher prices in the GBP USD. In fact, if you want to buy it, uh, okay, I think you can look for the buying opportunity because the price has also tested these highs. We check. Yes, these highs have been tested, fair value gap has been traded, so all things have been which were important have been done. Now I think we should be looking for only buying opportunity. When we are looking for the buying opportunity, we should go to the 1 hour or at least lower time frames and look for a breakout. Okay, this is done. Now the price is trading above the order block. So when the price comes down to this level of 1.3110, you would be looking for a buying opportunity, and the first target will be 1.3238. Thereafter you can target the daily highs, which is Yeah, 1.3238 and thereafter 1.3265. I hope you understand that. Now in this case, your stop loss will be below this low, this one here. I know from the risk reward point of view, this is not right. So what you do is you can also keep a stop loss based on the 1 hour. But in that case, it can only come below this low here, 1.3037. If you want a better price action, for that you have to trade the 1 hour order block, and in that case you will have to keep your stop loss out based on the 1 hour. But I will not go into that because we are ascertaining the daily price action. Let's move on to the euro. Something similar has happened in the euro. We were expecting the price to break higher from this, and that has happened. Now this should start acting as a support for the euro for going higher. Now on the way up, what you can expect is this high. You can expect it as a resistance. On the way down, if it starts going down from here, then this fair value gap should respect the price and send it higher. But if it fails, then the ultimate support is 1.0949 for this market. Talking about the Australian dollar, I think we talked about this day before yesterday and yesterday also, that this fair value gap is going to push the prices higher, which it is doing already. It has also closed higher than the critical resistance, which was actually support earlier, and we were expecting it to become resistance. This has not acted as a resistance. The price broke through it, and now it is acting as a support again. So this price action, has now changed like this. So something like this is what you can expect now, something like this. Okay, but again I will say still, let's see how the things unfold. We have talked about this yesterday also, that Australian dollar may be bullish in the coming time, although New Zealand dollar is bearish. So you see, even today the Australian dollar looks like it is trying to go higher, whereas the New Zealand dollar is looking like it is going to go lower. Only why? Because it has traded the fair value gap from the downside, whereas Australian dollar has traded the fair value gap from the upside. What does it mean? It should provide support to the price, whereas in case of New Zealand dollar, that should now start acting as a resistance, this one. So yes, this is a resistance now. The price should go down, and we are expecting 0.5974 in this market. What about the USD CHF? The US dollar is going down. Of course, it has taken the liquidity above these highs, and it is now trying to go lower. But this fair value gap, which is being traded, and also this order block, is trying to support the price, which eventually I am expecting that the price will give up and it will let the price to go towards 0.8333. But carefully note that there is no fair value gap between these two candles, so the price may find difficulty in going lower towards 0.8330. But will it go higher? I'm not sure. I think it will not go higher because it has already done the damage here by taking the liquidity above these highs. Now the next liquidity is below 0.8375. USD CAD, we talked about this also, although the US dollar is going down, but you see how it is strong against the Canadian dollar. We also talked about it yesterday when we said that yes, the price has met the resistance here, it is trying to go down, but this particular fair value gap will be respecting the price and will be pushing it higher. And you can see how the body of the candle is respecting the price. Okay, this is not random. So I am expecting in the coming time USD CAD to breach higher than 1.3621. But in case the US dollar across the board keeps falling, then this price action can be choppy for a few days. USD yen, we are expecting lower prices. 140.28 was the 140.24 was the price target, and 140.28 it has achieved. So I can say more or less it has achieved all our targets. Although we are expecting lower prices in this one, yen is very strong now. 138.06 is what we are expecting in this one. So like I was saying, sell every rise, sell every rise, sell every rise, sell every rise on the yen until we reach 138.06. Bitcoin. Now people might be thinking, oh, this is a bull run. Bitcoin is going for a moon. No, Bitcoin is not going for a moon. Bitcoin is going for the dustbin. This fair value gap has pushed the price higher, but this fair value gap will push the prices again down. This is my expectation. You may not believe it, but let it run for a week again, and next week we will talk about the Bitcoin where it is right now. Okay, but yes, if you are going to short, then this will be your area where you will be looking for such a candle where you will say, okay, there is a clear rejection and the prices are going down. What about the Brent? Brent, I said that this is already oversold. It went below 69.31. All who were short here, they maybe they have booked their profits, but it doesn't mean that it will start going higher again. We have another fair value gap here. Till the time this is holding the price, or the price doesn't close above this, we cannot be looking for the buying opportunities. This run here should not be seen as a buying opportunity, but yes, this run down may be seen as a selling opportunity if the price fails to create any fair value gap here. What about the gold? Yesterday a breakout. Did I say that it will keep going higher? But yes, a retest was expected, but it has not done any retest. So higher prices, I don't know to what extent it can go. Yes, there are ways and means to calculate that, but I don't want to do that. Just remember that your support is now at these lows, and these are at 2472 levels. Euro yen should be any rise should be sold with a target of 153.17, and I am still sticking to that. And the potential resistance is 158.73. Potential support is 153.17. This market, guys, I'm just reading out the levels. You know, the price action is very similar in all the other three cases also. You don't want to buy or sell here, okay? You want to sell at the rise towards a key level. You want to book profits at a key level. Don't try to push your button in between those levels, okay? The risk will increase many folds if you push the button right now. GBPAUD, we were looking for the higher prices, but order block failed. Price closed below order block. Now that order block is rejecting the price. That means there are more lows possible in this market in the coming days. CHF all the targets are achieved. The price closed convincingly below a critical support level. This is an indication that even if the price starts rising from here, it will start acting as a resistance. Also notice that there is a small fair value gap. Now, small fair value gap on the daily chart is a big fair value gap on the other time frames, on the lower time frames. Okay, so that's it about the CHF although it looks like that the price is trying to halt here at this level. Anyways, any rise to the level of 166.80 or 166.56 should be seen as a selling opportunity again. Audi New Zealand, I'm bullish on this one now. Why? Because the Australian dollar is bullish, New Zealand dollar is bearish. So I'm expecting higher pricing. Now you see how clearly it has created a fair value gap. Okay, shifted the market structure, then has traded the fair value gap today. So next week I'm expecting this price to explode towards 1.1058. So let's see how the things unfold in this one also. If you might be thinking, where is the fair value gap? Here it is. The price trading this area, and then this area rejecting the price. That means boom, this is what you are expecting next. Gas, a breakout, clean breakout, I will say, and a close above these highs, these critical highs. Now expect this to act as a support. I have just marked that, and then you can expect the higher prices like this one, 2.79, something like that. Euro CAD, like I said that I was looking for the lower prices. Now euro has finally reached that area where I was expecting it to find resistance. Now I think we should be finding resistance in this zone. Euro CAD one can sell, not right now, but after a red candle, or you can go to the lower time frames and look for a market structure shift. If there is a market structure shift, okay, and then you can start selling this market. I hope that helps. Don't sell a green candle, sell a red candle at a retest, or sell a red candle at a retracement. Don't sell it now, okay? This may keep going higher, nobody knows till now. Ethereum, I'm looking for the lower prices, but look for a good selling opportunity right now. The price is green, so do not sell it now. That's all, guys, from my side. I hope that this session of almost 10 to 20 minutes was insightful for you. If you want, you can rewatch it to have a clarity on the levels that are important in the next week. And I hope now you have those levels. And just remember, risk less than 1% on any single trade, and look for a profit of at least 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find it useful, and also leave your suggestion in the comment section after the video is published. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend, and see you on Monday again. Bye bye. Till then, take care.